Hi everyone, Card Addict 23 here, and I'm gonna be opening up a lot of 2026 MLB Series 1. I bought these two, and I have also one that I reserved the order for a mega box as well. But today I'll be opening up this pack here. So I opened the pack up. Let's get it started because there's a lot of cards. I'll go by it quickly. Had this little magnet card thing in here. I don't know why, but yeah, anyway, I bought these cards technically for my birthday. My birthday's coming up just in a few days on the 23rd. And I'm really hoping I can pull my dream card of Ohtani autograph. I know the chances of that is very slim to none, but that's what I would really want. Or even the mantle. I mean, mantle would be great. Or a nice one of one. But I'm just gonna go buy these cards fairly quickly, even though there's gonna be good cards. I'm just gonna go buy quickly. I'm really looking. Oh, Yusuke Kikuchi. I like that. I really like a lot of Japanese players because I'm half Japanese. Oh, nice. I got a Yoshinobu Yamamoto. Can't go wrong with that. I like to collect the Dodgers players as well. So getting a Dodgers player is always great. Jose Ramirez. And then, Bobby Witt Jr. Oh, and another Bobby Witt. Two Bobby Witt Jr.'s right there. Awesome. He's like probably the third most best player in the MLB, I would say. Other than Ohtani and Aaron Judge. Yeah, so not bad of a pull. Still no Ohtani autograph. Hopefully I'll get that on the next.